Well, I am on the trail on the third day. I'm leaving for 3 Mile, dropped off by Jennifer. This is slack packing today, but gonna have to load up the pack tomorrow, and then I won't see Jennifer until Wilderness State Park. Goal was to get out as early as possible, and I managed to get out of, it's kind of pretty out there. I love those marshes when they turn yellow like that. Managed to get on the trail about 7:30, maybe it was 6:30. Anyways, I've been on the trail 2 hours here, and have knocked out a little over 5 miles. The whole video today could have been about toads. There are toads everywhere. And one other thing. Oh, this is like a trail runner's path. The whole time I've been thinking, oh God, this was down near me, or down near civilization. There'd be trail runners going up and down it all the time because it's just beautiful, mostly sand and that kind of dark dirt that is the mixture of sand and organic materials. And so I've been flying. It has started to heat up. I haven't been able to put my glasses on all morning because of the humidity. They're just all fogged up. But there's still just a touch of cold air, and the humidity is going to be nasty. I'm glad that I'm going to be able to get off the trail. If I keep up this pace, get off the trail real early, which is good because we got some things to settle with the camp, to get Jennifer packed up to leave tomorrow morning bright and early. It is a great day to be walking. Feel fabulous. It's a non-eating day. Had a good meal last night. Won't eat again until tonight, and body is just cooking along on that body fat that I've saved up for just this occasion. So this is an interesting area. This is a restoration of oak trees. They call it savanna, if I read the sign right. Anyways, I mostly love it because there were persistent bugs for about 2 miles before that. Usually I'll walk mosquitoes, but I could have sworn those were still mosquito buzzes. And then there was a whole flight of gnats who had not found their purpose in life yet, because they were easily in the position to clog up my nostrils and go up my mouth and ears. They didn't do that, just annoyed. And then there were some deer flies and a couple deer. So those all basically stopped and stayed in the forest. They don't care much for the savanna. So it's a little piece of heaven right now here. Well, what a difference an early start makes. About 1.5 miles from the end of the trail, and I'm feeling strong still. Got a little warm in the savanna there, a lot of sunshine. Bugs be gone. So nice little walk. Listening to birds rather than John Prine today to finish this one. So about 1.5 miles to where Jennifer's supposed to pick me up. Kind of a weird walk because it started out and I kind of thought, I've seen these woods before. They're not all that interesting. And then right around 82, 83, started hitting those marshes, and it was glorious. And then, of course, the savanna, which is a huge bike trail, by the way. I had to jump out of the way. I didn't realize there'd be bikes. I haven't seen I've seen like 1 or 2 people on 3 days now. And so in the savannah there, I found the pretty picture of a couple of oaks. And so I sat down and had my umbrella on the path, my trekking pole across the path, and look over the hill, and here come 2 guys staring down on trail bikes. So not only was today's walk good for trail runners, it was good for trail riders. Anyways, it was a good day, really good day. The plan is pretty straightforward for the next, for tomorrow and the next couple days. Jennifer heads home tomorrow after dropping me off here. I can't remember, 876 maybe. She drops me off there tomorrow morning. She heads home. I won't see her until she gets to Wilderness State Park, where she plans to help me home. She's a trail angel.